Yo, this is the honors pre-calculus. This is the part two of the unit circle approach. So let's go ahead and work on number 59. So number 59, this says that you have to use odd, even properties. Ah, man, I'm not about to use that, okay? So let's just figure out the negative 60 is going to be clockwise. Okay, so you have to go clockwise for 60 degrees. And we know that sine is y over r. So just go ahead and label the negative rad 3 for the y. R here is going to be 2. Okay, so you're just going to go ahead and write negative rad 3 over 2. Okay, so negative 30 degrees is going to be another clockwise. So just go ahead and we know that this is cosine, so it's going to be x over r. So just label r as 2, and then x is going to be rad 3. So in this case, it's going to be rad 3 over 2 for the cosine negative 30 degrees. All right, so for the cosine is going to be x over r, and a negative 270, you have to go all the way to the positive y-axis. Okay, so you're going to label as 0 comma 1. All right, so 0 comma 1, no, x over r, we know that x is 0, r is going to be 1. So in this case, x over 1, which is 0 over 1, right? So it's going to be 0. So 72, we got sine, which is y over r. And then we know that it will be a lot easier if you can convert negative 3 pi over 2 radians to degrees. Is going to be negative 270 degrees. So which means you go clockwise and then get to positive y-axis. So you label as 0 comma 1. Okay, you see it right in number 66. Anyway, so y over r, we know that y is 1, and then r is going to be 1. So in this case, it's going to be 1 over 1, which equals to 1. Number 74, so secant is r over x. Okay, so negative pi is basically saying negative 180 degrees. So which means that you're going to be having your line terminal side on the negative x-axis. So you're going to have to label as negative 1 for x, y equals to 0. Okay, so r is going to equal to 1 in this case. So r over x is 1 over negative 1. So it's going to be negative 1. So 76 cosecant is going to be r over y. Okay, so negative pi over 3 is basically saying negative 60 degrees. So go ahead and go clockwise 60 degrees. Theta is going to be 60 degrees. Okay, so which means that your r is going to be 2, your y is going to be negative rad 3. Okay, so 2 over negative rad 3, you just have to rationalize it by multiply by rad 3 over rad 3. So it's going to be 2 rad 3, it's going to be negative, right? So over 3.